Channels and trend-following strategies are rarely mentioned together. Traders often rely on channels to pinpoint potential reversals or to identify overbought and oversold conditions. However, these tools usually fall short when it comes to capturing strong market trends. On the flip side, trend-following indicators like EMAs, MACD, or even the RSI shine in trending environments but struggle to keep up when the market starts ranging. Imagine if there was a way to combine the best of both worlds, unlocking the power of channels while still riding the wave of major trends. So what if there was one ultimate all-in-one tool that was perfect in all market conditions? The LuxAlgo wizards created exactly that, presenting the Premium Signals and Overlays Indicator. I know it might sound like a hidden gem, or even the Holy Grail, and it's not just my opinion. A growing community of over 50,000 traders believes it's exactly that. This tool is a powerful blend of some seriously game-changing features. I'm confident you've never come across anything quite like this before, so let's jump right in. When we look at the chart, the reversal bands immediately stand out, displaying a unique combination of an upper red zone and a lower green zone. These zones are designed specifically to help traders identify potential market tops and bottoms, whether the market is trending or ranging. However, their true strength shines in ranging markets, where they can be used to pinpoint precise reversal points. As we see here in a ranging market, the price consistently bounces between the upper red band and the lower green band. This behavior creates ideal opportunities to trade from one band to the other, maximizing profits by capturing these oscillations. The green zone at the bottom acts as a strong support level where traders might look to enter long positions, while the red zone at the top serves as a significant resistance level, signaling potential profit-taking areas. But the utility of reversal bands doesn't stop there. In trending markets, these bands continue to provide valuable insights. By enabling the built-in buy and sell signals along with exit signals, we can see how the reversal bands adapt to market momentum. During an uptrend, when the price reaches the upper red band, it's often a good time to consider taking profits. Alternatively, the exit signals generated by the tool offer additional confirmation, ensuring that traders can lock in gains at optimal moments. For traders who prefer to ride trends while managing risk, the reversal bands offer the flexibility to either capitalize on price action touching the bands or to rely on the precise exit signals. Whether you're trading in a choppy range or a strong trend, these bands offer a powerful, all-encompassing tool for your trading arsenal. One of the standout features of the reversal bands is the ability to adjust the sensitivity of the zones to match your trading style. The values for these zones can be set anywhere between 1 and 5, controlling how far each extremity is from the price. This flexibility allows you to fine-tune the indicator to suit your specific approach. For example, setting the value to a lower number like 2 can be incredibly useful for scalpers who need to move quickly in and out of the market. With a lower value, the zones are more responsive to price movements, providing earlier signals to enter or exit trades. This is perfect for those looking to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations and maximize their profits within minutes or hours. On the other hand, higher values like 5 are better suited for swing traders who prefer to hold positions over several days or even weeks. With a higher value, the reversal zones are less prone to breaks, offering more reliable levels of support and resistance. This allows swing traders to confidently stay in their trades for longer periods, capturing more substantial market moves while reducing the noise that could trigger premature exits. By adjusting the reversal zones to align with your trading style, whether you're a fast-paced scalper or a patient swing trader, you can ensure that you're always working with the most accurate and relevant data to make your trading decisions. So if you want to get your hands on this powerful indicator, simply search for Signals and Overlays and choose the one by LuxAlgo. Remember, it's a premium tool, so be sure to use my link to save up to 50% with an annual payment. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, commodities, and stocks, check out one of these videos. Thanks for watching and happy trading.